Did you know that you can play Sunflower Land on your mobile phone? It's really easy to set up. First of all, if you're on Android, you should go to the Google Play and search for Metamask and install the app for the Metamask. Same thing goes for the iOS as well. You can directly go to the App Store and type in Metamask, and there's an app for Metamask right there. You should install it. And after the install, when you open this, now you have your wallet in your mobile phone. So in wallet setup, since you have already a wallet which is connected to your Sunflower Land, you should go to your wallet, go to the settings right here, and then go to security and privacy settings. There's a section for your secret recovery phrase. If you don't know your recovery seed phrase, you can reveal this after typing in your password, and then when you reveal this, you should type these into your mobile phone. And please do not show this phrase to anyone. This is my test account, so I can share this with you, but you should not share your phrase with anyone. If someone gets your seed phrase, he or she can connect your wallet and do anything he or she wants with your wallet, and you cannot do anything to stop them. And select import using secret recovery phrase. Click I agree, and then your secret recovery phrase. And then type in a password. And then click import. When you do this, you have opened your wallet, Metamask wallet, in your mobile phone. So you can go there, you can use the built-in browser, you can go to any website. For example, you can check OpenSea, and then you can connect your wallet, Metamask, and click connect. As you can see, normally there's a pop-up appears in the browser right there. In the mobile version, a pop-up appears from the bottom and you select the option. So the same goes for Sunflower Land. You can go to sunflowerland.com. You can go to beta, and you can connect your wallet. As you can see, we're not on Polygon network, so we need to add that to continue. So we need to go to settings, and then we go to networks tab, and then add network. You can always check these fields when you Google it. Metamask Polygon. So as you can see, these are the fields. I need to type in these. Okay, now we have imported Polygon and we can connect to Polygon. So when we go to Sunflower Land this time, I can sign, and since I cannot create any more farms, and this is my test Metamask, I cannot show you the Sunflower Land right now, but this is how you connect. Now let's check on my real mobile phone with my real Metamask wallet. How can you see your farm on mobile? So this is my main account. Let's click this farm, and this is how you see Sunflower Land on mobile. You can click to harvest and plant seeds. You can check any type, anywhere. You just slide to see other places. So if I wanna sync, and click this, as you can see, the pop-up is now working like this in mobile. I will reject that now because I don't need to sync. I think you cannot zoom out. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed it. It is way easier on mobile. You can plant your seeds anywhere, any time of the day. Please like if you like this video and learned something new. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates about Sunflower Land. Thank you.